Hi guys, a very good afternoon. And this afternoon, let us talk about important matters. We need to talk about these issues because these are the issues which are affecting us on daily basis. These are the issues which are affecting our future, not only our future, but the future of our children. Because we will fail to send these kids to the best schools we were supposed to. Our kids will be marginalized the same way we are marginalized on governance issues. They will be marginalized on workplaces the same way we have been marginalized. They will never be doctors, they will never be lawyers, they will never be influential in society. They will keep on clapping hands for the chivayos and so forth. So let us talk about this issue. How do they plan to silence Advocate Nelson Chamisa? They have tried it through Shavangu, they failed. They've tried it through Triple C, they failed. He said, I'm no longer part of Triple C. Right now, they don't know what to touch. Is it Mukwananzi who are now pinning all the blame to say he's a ZANU PF project? While we have Shavangu, who has destroyed the Triple C vividly, and Mukwananzi is not yet has not yet destroyed anything. But right now, let us focus on more important issues. Number one, they want to force Advocate Nelson Chamisa to the court. This is how they are going to do it. They will say, you were given this much, you were given this much, and you were given that much. That will be an issue of trying to pin Advocate Nelson Chamisa as a man who received donations from foreign countries. That will be wrong. But they will do it because they want to try and tell Sadi that Nelson Chamisa violated the law. They want to try and justify FAS. That is the reason why they will try to use that. Secondly, they will try to use Pachedu as a way of saying you worked with Pachedu. But those Team Pachedu, these are people who are doing things on their own. We all thought that they were for the good, but they were for the bad. What they wanted was to justify FAS. But what if all these abuses of finances fail? If there is no evidence, or Nelson Chamisa proves that he didn't abuse any funds, what will happen next? They'll come with sex scandals. So one thing you need to know is they will try to Photoshop some photos, but they know for sure that they will fail because most of Nelson Chamisa's photos are on internet already, which means if they use some photos of Nelson Chamisa to do some photoshops, it will be easily known because people will do simple researches and they'll actually pick the actual original photos and expose them. So they know that that route is not going to give them the best result. What are they going to do? They will send people to Nelson Chamisa to just try and pose as if they are in love. So they will do it. I'm telling you this. This is what they're actually planning, and they will do it. So these people are desperate to stop Nelson Chamisa at any cost, at all costs, which means they will try not to break his marriage because his wife will never buy that. But they will try to convince the people of Zimbabwe kuti muri kuzviona mufesu wenyu uya tarisai muone mascandals ake, tarisai muone chakadai, tarisai muone chakadai. This is what they are trying to do. So I hope and believe that in case you hear those things coming out, in case you hear some women coming out claiming something or threatening to expose some pictures or to do any dirty thing, just know kuti vanhu vaya vatanga, which means inenge rine mvura mese kumahotera kwese kwaanoenda, even he is traveling inge rine mvura mese nemvura mese nemvura mese, which means there will be ladies, especially those who were within Triple C ranks and files or those who were sympathizing with Triple C. You will likely see them hunting Nelson Chamisa kuti vango create an event yekuti paite sekuti pane zviripo. Then you start to hear stories. I am telling you this because I love Zimbabwe, because I love my president, because I love changing the nation of Zimbabwe. So it's better for the whole country to be free than for one man to be happy. So it is what it is, but I made a decision to come and share with you to say, pamuchazozvinzwa mukazozvinza zvakutaurika, just know kuti zvinhu zviya zviya zvatanga. But I pray each and every day that God makes our president event, because ndo chinhu chega chavari kutsvaga, and they are actually offering money kuti hakuna here ane ka piece of information kanga ka message hako kekuedza kuti tione kuti tingazvijoinidza sei, but they are failing. But they are working day in, day out to make sure that they find the right candidates and to make sure that they find the right places. That is the reason why they want Nelson Chamisa to do things publicly achienda kunzvimbo dzese dziya dziya dzinodidi, because otherwise they can smuggle their people voita zvavari kuda kuita. But I can tell you this, it will fail. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. President Nelson Chamisa, I wish him well, and I pray each and every day that God protects him and God takes care of him. It is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. Let us meet in other episodes as well as at the broadcast. Remember, these are the two options left. One, to pin financial scandals on him, which they are already doing. And now right now they are talking of my interviews. But mind you, one agenda. Number two, kana ukaona zvafoira zvemari, they'll come and say, tazowana evidence yemukomana. But will that be true? Definitely not.